Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of cells. These microscopic building blocks are the foundation of all living things, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest animals, even you and me. Today we'll explore the main differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Think of it like this. If cells were houses, prokaryotes would be the cozy cottages, while eukaryotes would be the sprawling mansions. Get ready to shrink down to the microscopic level because things are about to get really small, but trust me, they are far from boring. We're going on an adventure. Let's start with the most obvious difference, the nucleus. Imagine the nucleus as the cell's control center, housing its precious DNA blueprints. In eukaryotes, this DNA is neatly organized and protected within a membrane-bound nucleus. It's like having all your important documents stored securely in a vault. Prokaryotes, on the other hand, don't have this fancy compartment. Their DNA just hangs out in the cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance that fills the cell. Their simplicity is actually a strength, allowing them to reproduce quickly and adapt to diverse environments. So, remember eukaryotes that organize DNA in a nucleus. Prokaryotes, DNA free-floating in the cytoplasm. When it comes to cells, size definitely matters. Prokaryotic cells are notoriously small, like really tiny. Think about it, bacteria, the poster children for prokaryotes, are usually only a few micrometers long. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, are giants in comparison. They can be up to 100 times larger than prokaryotes. This size difference comes down to complexity. Eukaryotic cells have all those membrane-bound organelles which take up space. Smaller cells have a higher surface area to volume ratio, which means they can exchange materials with their environment more efficiently. Larger cells, while slower on the uptake, have the advantage of specialization. Let's talk organelles, the specialized structures within a cell that perform specific functions. Think of them like tools in a toolbox, each with a unique job to do. Eukaryotic cells are like the ultimate DIY enthusiast, packed with a dazzling array of membrane-bound organelles. You've got your mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, generating energy. You've got your endoplasmic reticulum, a network of folded membranes that produce proteins and lipids. And don't forget the Golgi apparatus, the shipping and packaging center of the cell. Prokaryotes, with their minimalist approach, lack these fancy organelles but still carry out all the essential functions of life. Now let's talk about DNA, the blueprint of life. Both prokaryotes and eukaryotes rely on this amazing molecule to store and transmit genetic information. Eukaryotic DNA is like a neatly organized library. It's linear, tightly coiled around proteins called histones and packaged into chromosomes within the nucleus. This organization helps to regulate gene expression and ensure that DNA replication is accurate. Prokaryotic DNA, on the other hand, is more like a single circular scroll. This simplicity allows for rapid DNA replication and adaptation to changing environments. Cell division is essential for life, allowing organisms to grow, repair, and reproduce. Prokaryotes keep it simple with binary fission. The cell replicates its DNA, then divides into two identical daughter cells. Eukaryotic cell division is a more complex dance involving two main stages, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is used for growth and repair, producing two identical daughter cells from a single parent cell. Meiosis, on the other hand, is all about sexual reproduction, creating gametes, sperm and egg cells with half the number of chromosomes. Let's meet some real-life examples of these fascinating cells. Prokaryotes are the masters of simplicity, encompassing bacteria and archaea. Bacteria are everywhere, from the soil to our own guts, playing vital roles in nutrient cycling and even our own health. Archaea, on the other hand, are the extremophiles, thriving in harsh environments like hot springs and deep-sea vents. Eukaryotes, with their complex cells, make up a diverse group, including plants, animals, fungi, and protists. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, life on Earth is a testament to the remarkable diversity and adaptability of both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes highlight the incredible spectrum of complexity in the natural world. Prokaryotes, with their simplicity and efficiency, have thrived for billions of years, playing essential roles in ecosystems worldwide. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, represent a major leap in complexity with their intricate internal organization and specialized organelles. This complexity has allowed for the evolution of multicellular organisms with specialized tissues and organs, leading to the incredible diversity of life we see today. Reproduction is the ultimate goal for any life form, ensuring the continuation of the species. Prokaryotes, as we've seen, keep it simple with binary fission, a form of asexual reproduction. This method is fast and efficient, but it doesn't allow for much genetic diversity. Eukaryotes, with their more complex cells, have a wider array of reproductive strategies. Asexual reproduction is common in many plants and some animals, but sexual reproduction is the name of the game for most eukaryotes. This genetic diversity is a major advantage in a changing environment, increasing the chances that at least some offspring will survive and pass on their genes. And there you have it, the fundamental differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. From the presence or absence of a nucleus to the complexity of their internal structures, these two cell types showcase the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Understanding these differences is crucial for grasping the complexity of life, from the smallest bacteria to the largest animals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Keep those brains buzzing and remember, science rules.